International Space Station, ISS. The ISS, or a home in space, is built by the United States, Canada, Japan, Russia, and some European countries. It orbits about 370 to 460 kilometers above the Earth and takes 90 minutes to orbit the Earth in one go. The ISS has been in space for 20 years and has taught humans a lot about space and science. India is preparing to build its own space station by 2035. And for this it is doing many experiments and simulations. S.F.D.O.S.T or space docking is one such experiment that ISRO is doing. Let us understand how it will work through this video. This video shows that the S.F.D.O.S.T mission uses ISRO's PSLV rocket. It uses the S-139 rocket motor for the first stage. And the 6 booster motors are not used. The first stage, S-139, uses solid fuel and sends the rocket to an altitude of about 50 kilometers in 111 seconds. S.F.D.O.S.T means space docking. Space docking. The term docking is used for boats that move in water. When we bring the boat to the shore and tie it with an anchor, it is called docking. When a satellite joins another satellite in space, it is called space docking. Or two satellites can be joined to form a larger satellite. In this video, we will understand how ISRO accomplished this stage. Second stage. The liquid-fueled rocket engine fires in the second stage of PSLV. It sends the rocket to an altitude of about 179 kilometers from the Earth. Third stage. The solid fuel-powered rocket engine takes it to an altitude of about 388 kilometers from the Earth. It is made of light metal and burns less fuel, allowing the rocket to travel farther. Fourth stage. The liquid-fueled rocket engine takes the rocket to a height of about 475 kilometers. It has 2 liquid-fueled engines, which help increase the speed of the rocket. In this launch, 2 payloads will be released in different orbits. Communication of satellites. When both satellites are released, they start talking to each other through computers and sensors. From the solar panel, they start collecting energy in batteries, which is necessary for the mission. Main objective of this mission. The main goal of ISRO is to make a larger satellite by joining 2 satellites and send power from one satellite to the other. Status of satellites. So far, there are about 9,000 satellites orbiting the Earth, but many of these are no longer working. The success of this mission will help ISRO to restart those satellites which were not working due to battery drain. India will send small satellites and equipment into space with the help of ISRO and later connect them to form a big Indian space station. Indian Space Station. This space station can be used for various experiments. It will work as a petrol pump for those rockets which want to go further into space. Rockets can fill their liquid fuel and oxygen tank. If you have any questions or the information given in the video does not seem correct, please share in the comments or contact us directly. Thank you.